We are on. Okay, good. Daily Leetcode problem. Maximum level sum in a binary tree. Given root of tree binary tree, the level of its root is 1, the level of the children is 2, and so on. Return the smallest level x as the sum of all nodes at level x is maximal. US equal to US equal to root val. Ten to the power 4, 10 to the power 5, 90 here. 90 US equal to 0 for anyway. I just don't want to do this. If push root, what the fuck? Cannot push root. And max equal to int mean equal to minus equal to 0. Why? Hold on. क्या हो रहा है भाई आज मुझे for i equal to 0 and then nested I plus plus equal to 2 dot front val with 2 dot front first 2 dot push बहुत गंदा तरीका है लिखने का ये बट we don't care. हाँ q dot pop cur is greater than maxi equal to cur res equal to idx plus plus res plus 1. Okay. And the curve equal to 0. I don't even know how I just output 4. Return the smallest level x. Oh my god. ओके इसीलिए अपने को थोड़ा ढंग से करना चाहिए था. The thing is, window problems नहीं यार. Contest 306. Where is 306? No, 305 कल ही किए थे अपन. तो इस पे अपडेट क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? Longest ideal subsequence कर तो दिए थे ना. Yes, solved. Video 306. Virtual contest. Start practice. Join now. You are given n cross n matrix grid. Generate an integer max local of size such that max largest value. I see. INT and dot size vector so it's 9, 9, 8 and 6 raise n minus 2 vector and n minus 2. Or rather INT. Oh, INT equal to no. INT equal to n minus 2. For INT I equal to 0 I less than I plus for INT j equal to 0 j less than f j plus res of I j equal to 2 I comma j. For INT something ki equal to I अगर मेरा 0 है it should start with अगर 1 है it should start with ki equal to I ki is less than I plus 3 ki for INT kj equal to j kj less than j plus 3 kj plus res equal to max of res comma grade of ki kj return res should do this as t 9986 and then submit. Okay, we are given a directed graph with n nodes labeled from 0 to n minus 1, where each node had exactly one outgoing edge. The graph I is represented by 0 index integer array edges of length n. where edges I node I2 ठीक है the edge score of a node is defined as of the edge score of a node I is defined as the sum of the labels all the nodes that have an edge pointing to I. अच्छा equal to ETJ of pushback I सही है and the adjacency of I plus equal to IT is greater than less I don't know 7 then 0 0 long long this case अबे यार सबमिट ओके ठीक है एक सेकंड कॉल आ रहा है ठीक है. Construct smallest number from di string. Di string. अच्छा. You are given a zero index string pattern of length n consisting of I meaning increasing and d means decreasing. One, two, three. पैटर्न लेंथ 8 ही हो सकता है. तो what's stopping you exponentially करने से? I don't understand. I don't know, man. Long result equal to 118 is lexicographically small. माने 4 इधर आ गया है. हाँ, lexicographical small means, I mean, obviously it should be number wise be some. Auto move. स्ट्रिंग ही कर ले. स्ट्रिंग was equal to ठीक है. size equal to pattern dot size. Pattern कितना था? +1. Then res equal to res comma str. ठीक है. Then कर दो return. ch pattern of idx equal to I, and ch, and then so dot pat together the str plus equal to ch do idx plus 1 tr dot pop back bus and for ti equal to 4 ch equal to 1 ch plus equal to 9 ch plus plus tr equal to